आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is the x-intercept of the tangent to a curve, okay, is equal to the ordinate of the point of contact basically. Okay, and we know that what is ordinate basically. So ordinate is what my y-axis. Okay, so y here I can say, and the given question is the equation of the curve through the point 1 comma 1 is we have to find out according to the given conditions here I have. Okay, so first of all, this is what my solution part here, right? So it says in the question that the x-intercept of the tangent to a curve is equal to the y ordinate of the point of what contact. Okay, so in that case, first of all, if I have to find the equation of tangent, the required condition is what? I have to find the slope of tangent first of all. So I can say that if my slope of tangent, my slope of what? Tangent. Okay guys, this will be what? This will be denoted by mt. Let's suppose my mt, this is what? Dy by dx, right? The slope of tangent is what? My slope is what? Basically the form of dy by dx, right? We know it. So in that case, it says that the x-intercept of the tangent to a curve is equal to the ordinate of the bipoint. Okay, so first of all, what I have to do? I have to find the equation of tangent. So what is the equation of tangent? We know that equation of tangent. Okay, this is basically equals to capital Y minus small y, capital Y minus small phi equals to what? Equals to dy by dx, dy by dx. Here I have what? Capital X minus small x, right? And here I have to do what? I have to find the x-intercept, and x-intercept at x-intercept y becomes what? Capital Y becomes 0. So this will become basically what? 0. So in that case, the equation will be what? 0 minus y. Okay guys, dy by dx, dy by equals to dy by what? dx, and here I have what? Capital X minus of what? Small x, right? So after this equation will become what? This equation clearly we are going to receive in the terms of capital X minus x. So this will be capital X minus x equals to minus of, this time this will be dx by dy. Okay guys, why dx by dy? Because if I put this part on this side, so this will become dx by dy in the terms of what? Negative of, okay, also there is also negative of y. I just forget to write negative of y. So this should be what? This should be my negative of y, negative of y. Okay guys, so after this I can do one thing now. What I can do? Okay, so I can write this statement as what? Capital X equals to what? Equals to x minus y. Okay, I can do one thing now, x minus y. So x minus x, or we can say first of all positive of x. So this will become what? X minus y dx by what? dy. Okay guys, so after this equation will become what? Okay guys, this equation we are going to become further. Okay, first of all, before moving further, it says that in the question the x-intercept of the tangent to a curve is equal to the y ordinate of the point of contact. Y ordinate means y here, so y means that here this capital X value will be what? This will be y. So this will become what? Clearly this value will be now y equals to x minus y dx by dy, right? So without any confusion I can write here that this equation after further, this will become what? This will clearly become, if I do this dy, take LCM here, so this will be what? Y dy, or I can say x dy. First of all, x dy minus of y dx. Okay, this is equals to what? Y dy, right? If I take the LCM and multiply this on the LHS side, so this side will become y dy. So after this, what I can do now? Okay, so I can write here one thing. I can write here this term as what? X dy minus of what? Y dx. Okay guys, minus of y dx, and I'm going to divide both sides by y square. So this will be y square, and if I divide here by y square, so this will be what? This will be dy by y square. Sorry, only y. Why? Because only y, because you know that there is a y on the numerator section, so this will cancel out the y square part here. So we are left with only what? Y. Now also I can do one thing. I can take minus common from here, and I can write here that this will become what? Y dx. First of all, if I write down y dx first, minus of what? X dy, taking minus common, and this minus will be put on this side. So this will be minus of dy by y, and also there's a denominator part. This is what equals to y square. Now you guys will notice why I've written this part of this section, because somehow I have to find the differentiation of what? Dx by y, because you know that this term is basically a differentiation of dx by y. Look here carefully guys, differentiation of dx by y. Okay, using the chain rule property here, so this will become what? This will first y I'll write down, then differentiation of this x, so this will be dx minus of what? Dy now, x and dy, divide by what? Divide by, here I have y square. So here I know that since this is the differentiation of this part, LHS part, okay, so this part will become what? So on the LHS side I can write here now, this will become d, I can write here dx by y, okay guys, equals to what? Minus of dy, minus of what? Dy by, here I have y. Okay, so after this what I can do now here, I can integrate both sides. So if I integrate both sides, integrating what? both sides. So this will become what? This will become integration of dx by y. Okay guys, equals to minus of integration of what? Integration of dy by y. Okay, so now we know that this differentiation and integration cancel out, so we are left with only x by y. And here integration of 1 by y is what? We know that log of y, so this will be log of y and plus of what? C is my integration constant here I have, and here this will become what? X by y equals what? Minus of log c. So now question says that here, question says I have to find the equation of curve, okay, through the points 1 comma 1. Points given to me are what? 1 comma 1. So if I write down points here, points are basically my 1 comma 1. It means that these points should satisfy this equation now. So this will become what? Equation will further now x by y. X by y is what? 1 by 1. 1 by 1 equals to minus of log of 1 plus of what? C. Clearly this part is what? 0. Log of 1 is basically 0. So C, value of C we are going to receive is what? 1. So my updated value of this equation, which one equation? Here. This will come out as what? So here this will come out as now x by y, okay guys, equals to minus of log y plus of what? 1, because we just find the value of c here. So this equation can be done as further log of y, okay, log of y equals to what? 1 minus x by y, not x by y, right? Simple. We just manipulated this above statement here. Okay, so I'm after this further I can say that this can be done as what? This can be done as, if I take exponential function both sides, so this will become what? E to the power log of y, okay, and this will be what? E to the power 1 minus x by y. So clearly first of all this will become what? E to the power log x, something is what? Basically x, so this will be y equals to E 1 minus x by y. Okay, also I can write 1 minus x by y is what? We can write here e to the power 1 divided by e to the power x by y, right? Same thing. So after this further I can write a statement we are going to see y e to the power x by y equals to what? E, right? This is the function we are receiving, or we can say that the solution we are looking for, or the equation of tangent, is basically y with the product of e to the power x by equals to what? E. So this is the answer we are looking for. Now if I go to the options, according to you guys, which option is correct? Exactly, my option number first is the correct answer we are looking for.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।